Several stall tests were conducted to define the aircraft's minimum in-flight airspeeds and their variation with respect to weight, altitude, and various aircraft configurations. As the buffeting in the airframe communicates a stall warning in these low-speed, high angle of attack regimes, the pilot demonstrates the aircraft's excellent handling qualities through the stall and recovery. All the stall speeds demonstrated by the MD-11 met or exceeded the predicted results.